Hello, friends. Are you a gamer or do you play uh, all the games from your Steam library? Then this is the video for you. If you have recently formatted your PC and you are worried about to reinstall all those previously installed games, you don't need to reinstall everything after formatting your PC. Let me show you how can you add all those previously installed games in Steam from your hard drive or SSD. Look, you can see that I have recently formatted my PC, okay, and these drives are empty right now. Let me show you how many games I have previously installed in my PC. Let me show you Battlefield 1, Hellblade. These are the game Rise of the Tomb Raider. Let me show you. If I go to my library, uh, now it becomes I can play now. Let me show you Rise of the Tomb Raider, right? It is showing install right now. Just go to settings and click on storage, add drive. It is in my K drive, right? Now let me add K drive here. K drive, what is K drive? K drive. Now let me show you. It is changed. Boom. So guys, in this way you can avoid reinstalling all those games. Thank you for watching.